Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I got my boxycharm. So I got my boxycharm. I'm not gonna lie, I got it like probably a week ago, and I have not been able to open it for you guys. I know it's terrible. I haven't even come on to do any videos in probably like a week. Shit, maybe even longer. Probably like maybe even 2 or 3 weeks. And I know, it's horrible. But that's okay. I'm here now. I hope that's good enough. So let's see. I also got my Boxy Pop-Up also today. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and show you my Boxy Pop-Up as well. So for my Boxy Pop-Up, I got some new nails. Look at how pretty those are. These are from Ace Beauté. They were like $6 a piece. So, I mean, not a bad price. I don't know if they're going to be awesome on, but... And then these are really pretty as well. So that is what I got for my Boxy Pop-Up. And then my boxycharm, it is this, and it says Fantasy. So let's see what I got. A couple of things I got myself, like I requested to get it. So I have Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Out Crease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Ooh. This is $49.99. And let's see, on this it says Dermalect Out Crease successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. The anhydrous formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated micro-encapsulated delivery system. So let's open this. Let's open this and see what it looks like. Ooh, that's really cool looking. So I'm definitely going to have to try this. I love serums. Absolutely love serums. So that was, what did we say? $49.99. So we'll say $50 just to be easy. So next I have this Generation Skin. And this is... Generation Skin is... Oh wait, Generation Skin is $49.99. The other one was $39. So we'll say $39. So this one says... It is marine algae, is a straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. So these are eye patches. I'm excited about this. I am excited to use these. So this was $50 for this. $39 for the other, so that is $89. $89. All right, so now we have the Outre. It's the 8-in-1 CBD leave-in conditioner. It packs 8 power benefits into one, enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz. Where did I go? Protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. Ooh. So it has 3 different mists. It's supposed to be able to turn it. Use me third on towel dried hair everywhere. Huh. Very cool. It looks neat. I mean, I'm excited. I'm excited to try this. It is $30. So that was $89. So that's $129 so far. And then we have Basic Beauty Lip Oil. Looks like this. And Basic Beauty Lip Oil is $18. So this is going to be 148. So this is what it looks like. It says Basic Beauty on it. Ooh, and it smells really good. It smells kind of like coconut. So that is a plus for me. I love coconut, so I'm cool with that. I don't know if it's going to taste like coconut, but I'm excited. It says, ready for a quick pamper session for your lips. This hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduced appearance of lip lines. I told you there was coconut oil in it, so that's 18. So that was 129 plus 10, that's 139. So 148. 148. So next, I got this La Masqua palette. Out of all the palettes that I could have picked, I owned all of the other palettes, so I just picked one that I didn't already own. We will see. I will probably do Get Ready With Me using my Boxy and Ipsy like I always do. And definitely go over that with you guys. Ooh, this is really pretty though. I am excited to use this. It has a row of mattes and a row of shimmers. And there is a palette I was wanting to get from By Terry. And it had all of these colors in it, so I think that I don't need to get that palette now. Now, need is a very... Nobody needs any palette. Nobody needs anything, right? So, $50 for that palette was $139, so we're looking at $189 for my $25 box. And I had the... issue number of C210702-1-BA. So those are my items for my BoxyCharm. I think I'm going to go ahead and open my Ipsy now as well. The reason why I'm going to do that though is just so that I don't have to do 2 videos for the same thing. I'm sure if you're not interested in Ipsy, then you can just not listen to this part. So we have my Ipsy bag right here. Oh, right here. And I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open it up for you guys. So all right, so that's all done, and this is what the bag looks like. It's very cute. It says Stay Golden on it, so that reminds me of The Outsiders. I'm sure I'm dating myself saying that, but it reminds me of the movie Outsiders when he says Stay Golden, pony boy, and he's, you know, referencing the poem. So alright, so I have Oriza Beauty South Beach Ombre Blusher. So I'm going to open this. I don't normally do that, but I'm going to open it since it is closed. I'm like super shiny and ooh, this is really pretty. That's really pretty. So I also normally don't do that, but it is blush, so it's not going to be as pigmented. All right. I also have 2 of the Cream Shop masks, which I love using masks very often. So there's that. Now I have the Item Brow Chow Ultra Fine Brow Definer. Look at this teeny tiny little brush. That's cute. And then let's see what this side. And it is, I mean, it's fine. It's not as small as I normally use, but we will try it. I am going to have a Get Ready With Me with all of my BoxyCharm and Ipsy products, so we'll see. This is Hemp Seed Deep Hydrating Serum. And I don't know, this is gently pat over cleansed face and neck. So this must be a sample. I mean, I thought I'd get the other one, so who knows. This is Mystique Hydro Serum, and this is hair serum. So this is an essential dose of added nutrition and finishing touch for an immaculate and visibly healthy hairstyle from morning to night. All right, wonder if it smells like anything. Doesn't smell like anything, so okay. Okay. What else do I have? From Basic Beauty, I have a Bronzy AF bronzer palette. Did I get more items in this than normally you would get? I don't know what it is, but I kind of feel like I got more items in this. Maybe I had add-ons and I just don't remember. It's been a while, guys. So this is the colors of it. And I feel like they are not too warm and they're not too cool. They're kind of a good color match for me. So we shall see. This is called Snatchural Cinnamon Baden Bronzy. Snatchural. Snatchural. Oh, lordy. Okay, so we have a Hip Dot, which y'all know that I love Hip Dot. I have a lot of their shadows, and they have really good pigmentation. They blend out really well, so I'm excited to have this. This is Hip Dot 4-shade face palettes. That's really pretty. I mean, I like the blush. I feel like the blush is a good color. Again, I'll use this in a Get Ready With Me. I'm excited to have this. Let's see, what else do I have in here? Juice Beauty Moisturizer, oil-free 30 SPF moisturizer. I do like Juice Beauty the few times that I've used them. So this is what it looks like. Cool. Definitely use that. Let's see. And the last item, I know it seems like I had a lot of items, is from Half Caked. And it is Your Eyes Only palette. Look at, I can't get it out. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I need to push this sucker out. I swear. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the Your Eyes Only palette. And I mean, it's pretty basic. It reminds me a lot of the Illamasqua, so most likely maybe I'll use them together, but maybe not. I might put one of these in a giveaway. It'll probably be this one if I'm totally honest. I'll put it in a giveaway. I still have my giveaway for YouTube that I have to do, so I'll probably put this one in a giveaway. So, just because it's not my style, and it's a beautiful palette, it's just not, I've already got so many palettes, you guys already know. So, anyways, this is the full set. I'm super excited to try these items for you, and I will probably do that in a Get Ready With Me coming up pretty soon. I'm not really sure when. Maybe I'll do it sometime this week and then upload it like at the end of the week or something. So I'm very excited about this, and I just want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for understanding just everything that is going on in my crazy life. I really appreciate all of the support and all of the love. Please like this video if you like it. Give me a follow if you, or give me a follow. Subscribe to my channel if this is something that interests you. And go follow me over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for everything and have a wonderful day.